Have you been hearing about Planned Parenthood lately, a lot on the news and on social media? There's been a bill introduced in April that would cut the funding from the State Department of Human Services, according to McCullough, that would cut the funding to Planned Parenthood. There's a lot of criticism towards Planned Parenthood because they do abortions there. But they also have many other services there, not just quick access to birth control and abortions. Defunding Planned Parenthood leads to many problems, and it affects many low-income Americans who depend on its services. I will share my argument why we should not defund Planned Parenthood and what we can do to save it. Please refer to slide 3. Margaret Sanger in 1916 opened the first birth control clinic in Brooklyn, New York, and she was jailed for 30 days after that because of a Comstock law that prohibited people from dispersing birth control and even talking about it to people. But Planned Parenthood has come a long way since then, and they have so many life-saving services that people need, especially low-income people. They offer services for women's reproductive health. Please refer to slide 4. If lawmakers pass this bill, it'll lead to so many problems for Planned Parenthood. Many services there at Planned Parenthood, but a lot of people think that abortion is the only service that it's offered, according to Berliner. If funding gets taken away, it'll make it hard for low-income women to get the services that they need. This can lead to more unwanted pregnancies, which can make the abortion rates higher because of people not getting access to birth control. STDs go undiagnosed and untreated. There's other kinds of illnesses that will go undiagnosed and untreated, like cervical cancer and breast cancer. Please look on slide 5. Planned Parenthood offers many services, according to their website, that many people depend on. Birth control access can lower unwanted pregnancy rates. Emergency contraception, also known as the morning after pill, it helps rape victims and incest victims from unwanted pregnancies, which also makes the abortion rates lower. They do STD testing, which can help people live longer and healthier when they do the treatment there. They do pregnancy tests and pregnancy services, pelvic exams, cancer screenings. Please refer to slide 6. They also have easy to understand information that they give to all their patients about their reproductive health, and they're always ready to answer questions that anybody has. They do LGBT services. They do safe abortion services and referrals. They do general health there, like they help people with diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure, thyroid, cancer screenings, and all kinds of other services. According to the website, they refer patients who suffer from rape. They help them to find professionals that can help counsel them. They even have programs to help people to stop smoking. And they even have men's health programs there, like cancer screening and fertility problems and STDs, and even regular checkups. Please refer to slide 7. Main arguments that people give against Planned Parenthood is the abortions, which is a big controversy. But abortions only are used about 3% of all of the services that are used there for the Planned Parenthood services, according to Kurtzelben from National Public Radio. Many people think that federal funding pays for these abortions, but it's not true. According to the Title X family planning program, it prohibits the federal funding of abortions, but Medicaid does allow government money to fund abortions, but only in certain circumstances, like rape or incest, if the mother's life depends on it, or other medical reasons that are necessary for aborting. Slide 8. Planned Parenthood saves lives. Almost 80% of the patients who use Planned Parenthood are low income, and they get their health care from federal funding for the services there, according to Filipovic. If this funding's pulled, they may lose access to their health care and all of the services that they need to stay healthy, like cancer screenings, pelvic exams, pregnancy services, STD testing, and more. These services keep people healthy and they keep them alive. Slide 9, please. What can we do? You can call your senator, tell him that you oppose the defunding of Planned Parenthood. You can also attend a Planned Parenthood event to show your support. If you look up on their website, I've provided the website addresses for these things. Planned Parenthood is more than just an abortion clinic. It helps to provide so many services to women who depend on them. If funding is pulled, so many of these women and even men lose their access to health care. And it's important things that can help save their lives. Again, I urge you, please, to fight against this health care bill because so many lives depend on it. Thank you.